My name is Karen. I'm going to show you a social story I used for one of the students in my class. He is a 7-year-old boy diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder, and we are trying to transition him to a general education class for some of the settings. And one of the areas he really struggles in right now is raising his hand when he wants to speak. So I created this social story just for him. It's called Raising My Hand by Miss Wiltz. When the teacher is talking, the student should have a quiet mouth. Sometimes a student might want to say something. If a student would like to say something, they should raise their hand and have a quiet mouth. I can raise my hand if I want to answer a question. I can raise my hand if I need help. I can raise my hand if I would like to ask a question. I can raise my hand if I need to go to the bathroom. I will use my listening ears when the teacher is talking. I will use my listening ears when a classmate is talking. If I would like to speak, I will raise my hand and have a quiet mouth. When I raise my hand and have a quiet mouth, it makes my teacher happy. So that's just one of the stories I use with him. He really responds well to them. This one I introduced to him a couple weeks ago and worked on raising his hand, and I even have a visual I use that's a hand that says, please remember to raise your hand. And he's really responded well to it according to data because it is one of his goals to be able to raise his hand before answering a question or if he would like to speak in a whole group setting. So that's the social story I used, raising my hand, and I saw great results with it.